You are crying because your man just left you because of another woman. You be woman, you dey cry say your man leave you because of another girl. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Eh? You be woman, you get everything when man need from woman. You dey respect her, you cherish her, you love her. Then later, the man tell you say he no wants you. Then you dey cry. I beg, you dey think. Bring your mind down, not think. God know why. God know purpose. God know the reason when it happened that way. I know say not be everything God they do, but God know why. There's something where God they tell you, say, my sister, that way not be your way. God just they tell you, say, that way not be your way. I be what made the man can't tell where, or you can't reach 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. The man can't waste your time. Later I can't tell you, say, he don't want you again. I don't want you want. So you're supposed to go church, maybe you go give testimony. Because why? He could tell you. If you not can't tell you now, there war, day. So why you they cry for man when don't love you? Man when don't want you. Love who love you. Care for who care for you. You understand me? There are many men outside there looking for woman to take serious. So why you they cry? When you know say man full outside, we go value you, we go cherish you, we go give you what you desire for life, we go even carry you, we go pamper you the way that man when he leave you never pamper you before. Then you did there sit down they think. I don't say no they pain. You must think and bet you not be the one where you die put. You must think and bet not be waiting you go die put. It must pain you. But think and small you are still think and say, ah, thank God say this man tell me say he don't want me. I wish he come marry me for us or I can't born for her. So I can't suffer. No. Let me single mother for everywhere. We know say that thing is no good, will they shook our head good. We know say that man not good, we go they shook our head good. Put. I'm sorry. We go they shook our head put. Say he go change, he go change, he go change. How many years they tell you say matter they change? How many years? Man when go change, now he go change. Man when no go change, you no go change. Man when go change, you know they hard to know. If you do the something once, two, the third time you no go do them again. But man when no go change, you go they repeat her. They repeat that thing. Because why? He don't love you. He don't care. He want make you go. He don't need you. Because if he needs you, you know go they do all those things where they do to you. Then why you they cry? Why you want to kill yourself? And another thing I want to tell you ladies and young girls. If you the friend boy, make una get agreement. If you want your friend to yourself, una want live una, because not be all friendship they go into marriage. It's not all relationship that goes to marriage. Una go not have agreement. But if say una want friend to yourself, una later una live una self. And not be the one where the man no go sit respect you. The man go respect you. But if you say you the friend that boy, and you know say you don't reach to marry, and the boy not tell you say, will you marry me? Friend and 1 year. He never even tell you say, will you marry? What do they do there? Eh? Because some may want say, may you can't use your mouth. I mean, you want to go propose to ma. I see many women, now they will go they ask the woman, now they will go they ask the man, when you want to go see my family. Hey! Now the man come for you, I mean, you come for the man. If now you go towards the man, hey, you feel go ask the man, say, when you want to go see my family. But if now the man say he wants you, say he cherish you, he love you, he dead there for you, my dear. Now the man go ask you when I go to see your family. No, you go ask the man. But if now you toast the man, as you say toast am, you feel still go see us and say when you want to go see my family. Because why? I beg my sister. May we respect ourselves as a woman. Where is our pride as a woman? Where is our dignity as a woman? You understand me? God will go keep her for there. God no be mumu, eh? If you want keep her where everybody go to say, go keep her for face. Everybody will pass go to see her. There are many men outside there when one carry woman go bed, come out, leave there. Later they will talk. Later they not go take that woman serious. You know how to know. I beg, if man know now, at least when they see 4 months, 5 months, make una first they do small friendship first before they take una go bed. Cause there are many men they not serious. Now just to sleep with women, now they know. You hear all these kind of men, now they say money is not love. Money is not love. Money not be love. Now sex can't be love. Money is not love. Now sex can't be love. Eh? I beg you now, make una dey wise. Are you the man? You go know say you no get €1. The woman go follow you suffer. You go dey there for you. When you no get anything, no care. But later now, you can't get money, you can't get small money. And so you sit you couldn't maltreat the girl. When you never get €1, if the girl keep cup for year, keep anything for ground, you no go quarrel. But when you don't get small money, you couldn't shout for her. Why you keep this cup for year? Why you keep her for year? Wait, I don't want you. You would like to control the woman. You want control her. But when you never get €1, you no control her. She go even carry her give you. She know they control you. Eh? Then later you can't do anything. You can't run. You can't tell the girl say you don't want her. If you be man, where you dey run? Why you not ever go find money before you can't toast the girl? The girl go pity for una. The women go pity for una. Because women, they really get soft hearts. I know women. We don't get bad hearts. You understand me? But some men go to say that woman a fool. Now may I tell you women, now man I dey take care of woman. Now when that man not get, now you support say my boyfriend not get, if they give me, let me go find me I go also. Now me can say they say this hand go watch this one. Why this one go watch this one? This time around, they not they let her clean again. This hand watch this one will clean. Watch this one, it go clean before. But now you know they clean again at all. Because why? They know what they do. Women make una respect una self. Una know they cry. Make una know they cry. The man not deserve una cry. He not deserve una at all. Don't never think, huh? Person una they cry for, they happy they go. They go discotheque, they go everywhere. Even with the new girl when you see, you go they do. What did he do to you? You go still do it to that girl. Even they take 1 year, 2 years, it go still happen to her. I not pray for them like that. As far as you everything about you complete. I don't say no they complete for person finish. But you did nice to her, you did there for her. Later, you say you not be person again. After you don't finish, you finish. You say you not be person again. What thing is still do to you now, so you go still do it to another person. Unless now your character now not good as a woman. If your character good for her, your character say you want to leave you like that. As you see they go meet another woman, now so that woman go see, now that woman go see do change for your eye. You go say, go say now this one better pass. Now the one when I leave now better pass. Before he say make you come back, come beg you. If that heart still dey free, you feel still forgive her. Maybe you don't go learn lesson. If you not free again, I can't know. But another time, if that man leave you, if you jam any man, that man tell you say he love you, he cherish you, he care for you. Tell that man make it prove her. As a woman, tell her say make it prove her. Sometimes, man make it prove her for you. So men just they don't feel advise woman. If the woman get problem, they not go fit tell una say, see the way you take suffer, see this thing. So men they say you go tell them your problem. They not go remember again self. You go they talk to them for this year. You go they from this year they fall for the other one because why? Not be where you did, not be the day. Because they know what they find from you. So you as a woman, you don't go reason, you don't go think. Be sharp, wise up. Wise up. Wise up. Now this time around, person they suffer from one man hand. Huh? And some men, una know say una get sister. Una go they maltreat another person's sister. Eh? Because they say some women, they say they get fish brain. No, not be all women get fish brain. Because for me, as I tell you so, I not get fish brain. You hear what I tell you? Because fish brain, I not get because the fish brain not strong. I not get it. Not be all women get fish brain. Eh? Not be all women. You say women, they're easy to get. Mona go try with some women wey be say their head like this, e be like computer. Before you talk one word, they don't catch you. Person like me, I don't catch you. You go wrong. Now this time around, they'll come see the first one and go bed. When they go toast to now, I no go even reach 1 week, 2 weeks. When they'll come greet to now, I go greet them. The first day when they'll come on house and follow them go bed. So I wanna see me they take respect to now. I wanna see me they take value now. I wanna see me they take love now. Make the man toast you. 6 months, 7 months, you never give her your body. Now they go out, they go shopping, now they go here, now they do plan life together. Now go they talk about things, how work be, everything, business, what they do. If not the real man, if you want to go bed, you tell us say no, you never reach because I don't want me you useless me. I want to observe you first. Maybe you see say if the man a real man, he go stay. But the bad one, he go wrong. He go wrong. Maybe they respect ourselves as a woman. Maybe they respect ourselves. Time don't reach. We will respect ourselves. It's not good. It's not good. Enough is enough for a while. You dey cry, you dey shed tears. Eh? You go lock yourself in door. Wait till they happen. You go carry the phone. You go dey call the person. And person when you dey call, they see your and you go sit there with another woman. When you go there with the other woman, fear not go see let her pick the call. You know, see say na betrayer. Na betrayer. Deceiver. You understand? As you dey call her, you don't see they treat the other woman. You go see the phone, you go put her for silence. You go bedroom. When you go reach bedroom, you go see look the message who now you see the call. If you see say when you go see look and finish, you go still close the phone again. You go put her, you go silent away if you not silent well. Make it for true with the other woman first. After you don't true with the other woman, finish the woman don't go. You go come carry your phone. Now they will come they tell you, hello, you be they call me. I know you already know. The phone they silent. The phone that was inside the train, or I was inside Lokesia. Who now want deceive? You the women now know. You do a 1, 2, 3. Most everything that thing they happen, you no go wise up. But your phone, it go call you. Your phone go dey near you. The phone no go ring small. The phone no go even ring. You go sit down, they wait for the call, make it come. The phone no go ring small. You go your pick up. But you see your phone, your call, they look at down. You as a woman, you go see the call, you go quick pick up. Hello. Instead of you to look that phone, you leave her, you go even cut her, you go nothing that you cut her. Because when you call her, you never respond. Not be today start her, not be tomorrow. If they do that thing every time, then you later you come dey cry say break your heart. Now you give her yourself, make it break. Now you give her yourself. If first one don't happen to you, if you be woman, you dey hear me. Second one no allow happen. Hold your mind. Love not be to maltreat person. Eh? Love not be to maltreat. Love me, I love you. You say you love me, I go love you. If you don't love me, I not go love you. If I felt love before, I fell in love, I go try. Because I don't feel going to love man when you don't love me. You know they happen, eh? Make una wise up. Wise up. Especially when the man who are the friend don't see another man, he don't see another woman. So can ways when go they come out for their mouth when they never tell una before. Una know the reason now. Una know the reason the words when they come out for their mouth. And I want to let una know not be whole relationship, not be the fair, not be they go to marriage, eh? Not be they fair into marriage, eh? Not be whole relationship. So Muna, you're because many men they don't friend 20 girls. If a person one person friend, now they marry. Maybe everybody for not they reach anybody hand. You understand me? So Muna they get agreement where Muna not they cry. If na marry una they find una friend the boy reach 1 year, he never ever ask una say will you marry me or whatever. And you know say you don't reach to marry. You better leave the boy. Tell her say no. Be like say you never ready to marry. Because if you tell some boy like that, they'll say now una they find them. Because woman not fit there with you for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You never even tell her, say, will you marry me? You say me that woman dead here. If the woman say you start, come still ask you. Say, when you say that you want to marry me, and I mean want to marry you. Eh? The woman not gonna know what he go do again. Eh? But not be so you be tell some of you go promise the woman finish now disappoint the woman. Are you the woman? Man go disappoint you finish for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You dead here. Eh? How old are you when you want to kill yourself? Even though you dey 50 years, you dey 60 years self, you go kill yourself because of one man? You go kill yourself? The man think say na so you go young. That day no go dey market again. The man. If Ghana must go, no go dey market again. Eh? Make them know the thing say na only woman dey expire. Man, so man dey, you know they quit dey expire because why? Everybody don't know and say na carry, na flatter. So you know they dey market again. You understand me? So not be only woman they come up for market. So men they quit they come up for market. Their Ghana must go, no they dey market. You understand? So one another they cry, eh? So they say wicked are made to live with them. So anything we better do for this world, you dey wait for her. You understand? You dey next to that person. You dey everything what you dey do na perfect. Make it then you dey put your effort. Say may my boyfriend say stand for life. Later you throw where you put for basura. He say no be you no be person. Come up for inside your basura when it don't you put. Go bath. May you wear clothes. May you come outside. By the time you go see you go say happy this woman na basura I be put on before I take come out. You go see no say another person I go carry you come out for inside that basura. Say no be only you one. It is as you throw away you for the person no they won't go to help you come out. How na they think? One and one kill yourself. Huh? I first tell una just say they pain well. Wetin pain pass that thing. You know, but una suffer they love. Make una first let that man they love una. They do am. If they let person do. If you be like say the man he don't love you way you yourself don't reason and say love you. Then you go still love her. You they love her. But if you say they don't they come. This you don't they observe something you they ask and say I don't know the name one they call and say whether na sweetie or ni lokesia. Why? You don't change these few days because sometimes you have to ask a question. You ask her 1, 2, 3, 4. You still they do what they do. What do you want to do? You want to kill yourself? You still continue. You don't be like this before. You don't change. Why now? He said, no. I no chance. I take change. Later, they are wicked, eh? They don't say they be young girl and you be young boy. If they want find where they want to hook you, don't say who be that boy when they call you. And your phone not they ring that day. What do you think before I say man? Now woman she be, eh? Even woman when don't marry herself, if they go for street, man see the toast stand. I mean they shit for their head. Unless now like woman when we say they shit for here, now man not go even fit stand. May I tell you, talk of saying young girls. Young girl when never even marry. You are the woman self. You supposed to see say he himself they see say woman they toast you. So far you know say no you give the number. Now they know where they foresee the number. They know where they get the number from. Sometimes you go see your phone ring. Make it know say not be only one they exist. Not be only one they market. Say many boys will pass on full market. As a woman, get dignity as a woman. Not to disgrace yourself. You get your own pride as a woman. Eh? Like I tell you before, God will go put on for under dear under. Why you not put on for face? Why you not put on for ear? Everybody they see her. He hide down. So you have to respect yourself as a woman. Not be every man when you see you just jump enter inside bed with. Someday, then when you sleep with you, see that thing 1, 2, 3, even go to 10 times. Later, I tell you they don't vomit inside. They don't go be that one. How they say respect you? They not go respect you. But actions speak louder than voice. But if you get action as a woman, you get wisdom. That man notice you not be woman when they brush teeth. They throw away. He go no, he boundary. He go run. If not the serious one, he go stay. You understand me? He go stay. Eh? He go stay. Man go you treat una so te una go cry. You no go even come meet una wetin dey beat una. Why una dey cry? You go cry morning till in the night. You no go see this. He no go call you. You no go even hear a voice. You go send message. So then you go dey look your message. You go look your phone. You go soon call. You go soon call me. If message enter your phone, you go rush your phone. You say maybe na this one, na my boyfriend. When you come open the message, you say, oh, no be my dear. No go let heart attack kill you. No go let heart attack kill you. Oh, because of one man wey no value you. because of one man wey no get respect for you. No go kill yourself. Wake up. The Lord is your strength. You understand? I wish be say this word not spoil before. Now man wey person friend, when you go meet, now man when meet you for house, people know wetin I use am means. Wetin I use am me. Now man when meet you for house before, now you suppose make person dey marry to before, but we no come know the good one. Not be una fault. We no come know the good one before. Some women don't want flirt. Some women don't want even friend different type of boys. Those you go say this boy when I want friends, so now I want friend. When you go friend the boy now, the boy no go love her, the boy no go care for her, and the boy never felt say him one time. Now the boy felt they die for her for the first time. After the boy don't see wetin they find, he go leave the girl, and the girl now go come frustrate. He say oh, I know your girl lucky for man. You get luck for man. Now that man I be bad head, not be you woman. Who tell you say you don't get lucky of man? You get luck. Not be your fault. You see jump into another one. You see another man again. The same thing. I beg no let the third one happen again. If the third one want go bed with you, no allow her. If he love you, make he love you. Make una dey play first. Make una make friends 6 months. Make una date there. Make una know his character. Make una dey eat together. Not be say una no go fit eat together. If you come your house, maybe once in a while go, they know una say una go shopping, go here, go out. You understand? Una plan life. If una get business, una dey do, they go work. You dey advise and you understand he himself. Una go dey do am. Not be to go only bed. Eh? If to go bed, na be the problem. Make himself still check him body. They say money not be love. No, na sex be love. Na sex be love. Una know na self, eh? Na know na self. Eh? Woman, make una respect una self. Eh? Una no dey let those man dey see una finish. Eh? Una they pay me. They pay me. Sometimes I just see some girls, they know they happy. Because why? They say, I don't know what they happen to me. I no get love for man. Who tell you say you no get love for man? Because you don't know where you go, how you take follow on. If you follow on, where you go enjoy your man. You go enjoy your friendship. You understand? No man go come use you play. No man go come use you do yeah. Because why? You never think where before you go open yourself for him. If you reason man will really love you, go. I know say some men they pretend though. I know. Some men they pretend. Even though they go even buy you something, give you money. They'll say anyhow I want to get this woman. I go get her even though that money. I'm not talking about money. Money joy, money na still love. You know they not complete. I know that they now come for that one. Because why? Now about women when be men break their heart when they cry. Now I come for today. Another one they come for women when not get respect for men. When be say man no go feel married for us as a woman. Another day now be another message. But this one they talk to ladies and young girls when be say man no love una, when break una heart, when they cry. So if una go do testimony, when una invite me, I can't drink more for una neck. I can't drink more, eh? We go happy together. Have you want me first tape first before you go come tell you say you don't want you? You never even tell you say you don't want you. You're happy. Eh? Or the man tell you say, I never ready to marry. Oh, maybe we just stay like that. You don't ready. You go. If you friend and small, you from there, you see better man. You go. You understand me? I beg. Maybe we know they made mistake again. Our mistake don't too much. Maybe our mistake, maybe they rectify her. Mistake not supposed to happen always. The same thing. It go they happen. What did happen to Peter? Now happen to Paul. What did happen to Paul? Now happen to this. No. Maybe they change our ways. Eh? I wish not be say now YouTube I want put this to say now women will all of us there. I go give una some key. I'll give una some key. But if I want give her this video now, I will send her for some men. Many people go see her. If una want key, some key one I will take, make una call me. Now get my line, una call me. We go talk one on one. I will give una key. No ma. No ma, if you know where you go. If man don't want you, for example, you be woman, you want to kill yourself inside here. Or you want to lay down beg and say, please, now what did I do to you now? Please forgive me. And you know, say in your mind, you know offend this man. For your mind, you know wrong this man. You want to kill yourself. What do you do where they hurt you? And that thing where they sweet the man go, they sweet her. The woman go lie down for your front. Please now, on me, sweetheart now. Waiting I do you now, not do you anything now. Because what? Even fear, boy, when you the friend, fear not gonna let you even touch him phone. But fear go let him touch your own. As you dey beg and say I beg now, waiting I do you now. You go dey even the talk her for your head like this. You go dey talk her. You go to use one hand, they write the other woman. You go to you go say, get up, sit down, or go make part there for me. Later we go talk her. They go to do one like this. I pity you, that woman. I pity you, that woman. I not pray. I not pray because many people say, wow. If we dey eat, we will not say we dey eat. If we dey forbid that food, we will not say we dey forbid that food. You understand? For me to dey into relationship, come they suffer there, no happiness, no joy. The man don't love me. Me or say I will come to force myself for what? For which reason now? Man, we never even marry una. I bet more stop this one. Enough is enough. You understand? Now this message, now I can't tell una today. Say may we stop. May we wake up. May we wise. May we not there try for una. Because some men, they are very responsible. Many men out there, they are very well responsible. They love woman, they go show her to her. Even though the woman offend herself, they go lead down, they will beg the woman. Try for her. Proudness, they not get what they can go. Love not be to proud. Love not be say prove her to your woman. Hold her, pet her. Some men when they really play love. Men when really get money. Now people when don't get money, now they use woman anyhow. Now they use una anyhow. Now the one when they carry money give, now still they use una rich like that. Man when they ready to take care of una not they value that man. Man when they really give una money, when ready for una, when want take care of una, we una sleep for inside bed like this. Go come wake una, the day una go in house. You go wake you go say, sweetie, honey, did you need milk? You go give una milk. When you go wake una, you go come serve una for inside. But that one we don't even get one, you know, they use person pass. And now they use person pass. When you they come their house, they go silence their phone. The phone go home down. You go even ask, did you on your phone? You go say, my phone is home. My phone don't home. My phone home down now. What my phone be this? Now lie. The woman number inside. The man don't do and say if the other woman they call, make it not they go. You know what the phone go hold down for there. You know what he do inside that phone. Make una the wise. Not be many things. Now I'll come they talk. Because I get another message. When I go talk next week. To still know woman when ready. I will still talk to woman when be man. If una want see woman when, if una want know woman when ready. Woman when ready. As I still talk before, not be all relationship they go into marriage, but we need to respect ourselves. That makes sense today. Woman, when you friend for how many years, sometimes it still they help you when the time come. You understand me? It still they help you, not be say because say you don't want to marry the woman. Say when I use a friend, say I don't see the best respect that woman. Respect her so that you go see talk. Say the time when I deal with this man, then when I deal with this man, he respects me. When we turn together, very nice somebody. Maybe now my character not come good or not, me not want to marry the man or whatever. Good name is better than bad name. You understand me? So you the woman, make you wise up. I not come here come talk to the man. If I come still come, I will come. Then you the woman when they cry. Now I come for today. Because if they pay me. Make we they love ourselves. Make we not they pretend. Make we they love ourselves. Make we not they pretend. We get sister. We get brother. As we take love them, I will say love our mother, love our family. Maybe they love our girlfriend like that. Maybe they love our woman like that. You woman, no they cry, yeah? Clean your eye, go bath. Then we go discotheque together. Then we go jolly together. Jolly, 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 jolly. Get up. Go wear your shirt, make you come. Meet me for junction. May we go enjoy. Enjoyment, May we go where I know self. Because, wait, I think. I know 3 places. No, they enjoy. Now I know I will show you. If we reach here, we will enjoy ourselves. Make up. Put lipstick. When the man go join you for road, you go surprise. Go say, this one, you no even resemble as I do one. You think it take make you days as make you kill yourself before. Wake up, you go shine up, my dear. No time. Time not there again. Time not there again. Oh, time not there again. Oh, time not there again. Time not there again. Make we enjoy ourselves. Make we enjoy ourselves. People wey die, they don't fit get up, come enjoy again. I wish they go fit get up. Even though na 1 day, 2 days, God just give them. Say, I'm gonna go again, I'm gonna go enjoy. They go enjoy. They go finish all the money when they try work for ground before they die. Then we when they are alive, may we enjoy. May we know they think. May we know they die for people who don't love us. I know yours come for the marriage woman, eh? I come for the young lady and young girls. You understand me? You understand? So now that message, now this message, now I can't tell now. You can only think, eh? Now we're happy, now enjoy day, eh? Now where they happy now day. You understand? Yeah, they use €1 till they find €3 now a day. I know they here they do am a ball. Yeah, they gossip. I know they there. I don't run. Now we better thing they see joy. Lady J. I beg more and don't forget to subscribe for that YouTube. As usual and as they do it before. May God bless you guys. Bye. Ciao. I love you so much.